We're going to do a quick tutorial on the color LCD display that works on all current Babymaker models. So we're looking at the display right here. Upper left button, hold in to start. It'll power up. It's automatically going to show you the speed, the power level, and the percentage of battery charge. So this one says 56% charged, speed 1, and we're going 0 miles per hour. We're going to toggle up using the screen to 2, 3, 4, or 5, or you can toggle down. When you get down to 0, now you're in walk assist, and use the walk assist button. Simply hold it in and the bike will move forward. Next, to go to the next page, lower left button, we got our trip, odometer, and trip time. And lower left, hold that in to get to display setting, advanced setting, information, and exit. That'll do it.